Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for vocabulary. We'll begin by setting up your dedicated vocabulary workspace. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. Then, choose the Table Database option to structure your learning. Give your database a clear name, like vocabulary, so it's easy to find later. This initial setup takes just a few moments, but forms the foundation for effective word learning. Now, let's customize your database with useful properties. Add a type property, using the multi-select option, to categorize words as nouns, verbs, or adjectives. Next, include a status property with choices like learning, review, and mastered to track your progress. Finally, add a date added property to automatically record when each new word enters your system, helping you monitor your learning journey. Adding words is straightforward. Simply type a new word into a row, then fill in its definition, an example sentence, and select its type. You can also add notes or synonyms in a dedicated text property. To keep things organized, use Notion's powerful filter feature. This allows you to quickly view only the words you are currently learning, or perhaps all the verbs, making your study sessions highly efficient. For effective review, leverage Notion's versatile views. Try creating a gallery view to see your words as flashcards, revealing definitions only when you click. Use the sort feature to prioritize words by their date added or status, focusing on those needing more attention. Consistent review, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, is key to moving words from learning to mastered and building a robust vocabulary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.